Hi, welcome back to Drive North. We're doing another camper review. We're going to do a walk around and an interior tour of the Jayco SLX by Jayco. This is their 242 BHS. So let's walk around the outside here. First of all, we have the storage in front. Big, generous storage space. It goes all the way to the front and to the back a little bit. Got a nice 3-step into the inside there. Power awning with LED lights. Got a couple outlets out front here. Cable, satellite TV input. It is a dual axle, 14-inch steel wheels. Really nice about this unit, we have this outdoor kitchen area. 2-burner stove, sink, and a little fridge. Jacks in all 4 corners. Spare on the back bumper. It can be hooked up to a backup camera through Furion. Going around to the other side here. Sewer drainage, city water connection. This is that back slide out. And up front, it does have dual LP tanks. All right, now we'll go check out the inside. This does have that 1-key system, so 1 key for everything. All right, moving on to the interior here. So we'll start in the back here. This is the dual bunks. Good sized bunks in the back here with an LED light for each person and outlets on the bottom there. Back window, and there is some storage underneath too. Actually a good sized storage area. Next to the bunks is the bathroom. Decent sized bathroom with a sink and a vanity. Storage underneath, toilet, and a good sized shower with a skylight. Has a decent sized fridge and freezer unit. Moving on to the kitchen area. Here you have the microwave, range, 3-burner stovetop with an oven. Dual sinks and storage on top. Couple drawers. And there's your storage underneath the sink. Here's the storage next to the bathroom area. And here's that slide out area. That does convert into a bed. A lot of LED lighting in this unit. Here's the entertainment center. Show you the storage here again. And moving into the bedroom area, it does have privacy curtains on each side. Queen size bed. With nice little storage shelves on each side with outlets. Overhead LED reading lights and a nice decent storage on top with cabinets for hanging clothes on each side. And this is wired so you can have a second TV just for the bedroom area, which is really nice. Just some company advertising on the SLX. And that's our tour of the Jayco SLX. We're doing a lot more camper reviews in the future, so please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.